Of the 42 colleges in Goa, only 2 colleges provide Wi-Fi, free services. But university needs to have it. I discussed with Director IT and we took a decision the very next day की गोयच्या 40 कॉलेजांनी मोफत Wi-Fi facility for all the youths in Goa in the age group of 18 to 35. We will give 1 GB free and 100 minutes talk time. Electronic city आणि IT park सुरू करपाचो निर्णय घेतलो. Administration and concerned are working day and night over it. My director IT, Mr. Ramey Bankar, is full-fledged after this. Site'चेर काम चालू जाला, पेपराचेर काम चालू जाला. Simultaneously, we have signed MOU with Telangana, the state who is doing very well in this field, in the field of technology. तांचे T-hubs are known. जो वेगळे बेनिफिट्स ह्या MOU आमकां मेळटले तातूंत ताणें एक म्हत्वाची गजाल म्हटल्यार की तुमचे कोण जर युवक युवती आमच्या T-हबाचो उपयोग करून घेतले जाल्यार वी विल allow them free of cost. दुसरी गजाल ताणें सांगली की तुमकां जर गोव्यात गोवा T-hub निर्मिती करपाची आसा. आमी म्हटलें टू दॅट दे हॅव एक्सेप्टेड आनी ताणें म्हटलें की ओके गोवा टेक्नॉलॉजी हब आमी हांगा करूया. We are planning to have the first building of Goa Technology Hub in Chimbal, GT Hub. It could be Goa Technology Hub or Goa Telangana Hub, whatever you may call. We have also signed a MOU with MET. MET is an organization of technological companies. They are providing us the outreach to various IT companies. वेगवेगळ्या कंपनी कडेन रीच दिवपाक बऱ्यो कंपनी हांगा प्रपोज करपाक एक ताच्या पयलीं आमी वी हॅड एंटर इनटू पार्टनरशिप विथ Google.